Hello everyone, this is Tanya Graham. Welcome back to my channel. Lord, I pray that each person that clicks on this channel, you wash and cleanse their mind and their spirit. Fill them up with love and unity. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel where you can learn about weekly motivation tips. And please don't forget to make your purchase from my ebook on Amazon.com, Tanya Graham ebook, TG Nail Salon, Divine Money Secret. That's the only book that is on there with a green cover. And all the best to those who receive their blessing after they purchase. Oftentimes, I have the vision of home cleaning. You can also add your car to this cleaning. First one was with my mom, who lives back home. I had a vision of her cleaning my home. When I woke up, I'm like, why is she cleaning my home? The Lord said to me, because your home is not clean enough for me to dwell among you. The second one was with my friend. She was cleaning out my closet. When I woke up, I went in the closet and started doing cleaning. I happened to buck up on $100 that I put away for so long and totally forget about it. I found it just in time when I was in need. So I'm encouraging someone today to go ahead and add this to your weekly routine or your seasonal routine to clean your home so that the Spirit of God can dwell among you. So you can receive your blessing. It can be an opportunity, it can be healing, it can be secrets that need to reveal to you. As they always said, where is cleanliness, there's godliness. So stay blessed and all the best.